Overview of the 2016 Math Standards for 5th Accelerated. In the new standards, students are expected to model addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of integers using pictorial representations or concrete objects. They are also expected to add, subtract, multiply, and divide two integers, solve practical problems involving integers, and simplify numerical expressions involving integers, which is just order of operations. In geometry, students are expected to draw lines of symmetry to divide regular polygons into two congruent parts. In graphing, they are comparing circle graphs with the same data represented in bar graphs, pictographs, and line plots. Moving from 5th grade is the impact on measures of center when value is added, removed, or changed in the statistics unit. In algebra, solving one-step equations, including practical problems, is moving from 5th grade. Students will also be expected to represent practical situations with inequalities and solve one-step inequalities using addition or subtraction, and then graph the solution on a number line. The biggest change for 5th Accelerated is in proportional reasoning and relationships. Students are expected to represent a proportional relationship between two quantities, including those that come from practical situations. They also need to be able to determine the unit rate of a proportional relationship and then use it to find a missing value in a ratio table. An example of unit rate is in the picture on the slide. Students will also be asked to determine whether a proportional relationship even exists between two quantities, and then to make connections between and among the representations of a proportional relationship between two quantities, using verbal descriptions, ratio tables like the one shown in the slide, and graphs. Content that will no longer be in 5th Accelerated beginning in fall 2018. Ballpark comparisons in measurement are moving to grade 7, along with the volume and surface area of a rectangular prism. In addition, properties of quadrilaterals will be included in 7th grade as well. Independent and dependent probability is moving to grade 8, and arithmetic and geometric sequences are moving to high school into AFTA or Algebra 2.